If you're a resident or business owner in Austin, you've probably encountered the challenge of managing unwanted items. Whether you're decluttering your home, clearing out an office, or tackling a renovation project, junk piles can accumulate quickly. While DIY junk removal might seem like a cost-effective solution, hiring a professional junk removal company in Austin offers a multitude of benefits that make the process more efficient, convenient, and environmentally friendly. Here's why you should consider letting the experts handle your junk removal needs. Time-saving convenience. One of the top reasons to hire a professional junk removal company in Austin is the time-saving factor. Sorting, hauling, and disposing of junk can be time-consuming and physically demanding, especially if you have large or heavy items. Instead of spending hours, or even days, managing the mess yourself, a professional junk removal team can efficiently complete the task in a fraction of the time. These experts come equipped with the necessary tools and equipment to handle all types of junk quickly and safely, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Safety first. Handling heavy, bulky, or hazardous items can be dangerous, especially if you lack the proper equipment or experience. Lifting large furniture, sharp objects, or items with hazardous materials can lead to injuries or accidents. Professional junk removal companies are trained to lift and dispose of items safely. They use protective gear and follow safety protocols to ensure that both you and your property remain unharmed. By hiring professionals, you reduce the risk of injury or damage to your home or office during the junk removal process. Eco-friendly disposal. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly practices, and a reputable junk removal company in the area will reflect these values. Rather than dumping all your unwanted items in a landfill, many professional junk removal services prioritize recycling, repurposing, or donating usable items. By working with a company that values sustainability, you can rest assured that your unwanted items are being disposed of in an environmentally responsible way. This reduces waste and supports the local community by donating usable goods to charities. Cost-effective in the long run. While hiring a junk removal service might seem like an added expense, it can actually be cost-effective in the long term. Think about the hidden costs of renting a dumpster, purchasing disposal supplies, and potentially paying fees to dispose of certain items at a landfill. Additionally, DIY junk removal often requires multiple trips to a disposal site, costing both time and money. Professional junk removal companies offer transparent pricing, which includes labor, transportation, and disposal. They can help you avoid additional costs that might arise from DIY methods, such as having to rent trucks or pay for tipping fees at the landfill. Avoid the hassle of sorting and hauling. Junk removal often involves more than just getting rid of unwanted items. You'll need to sort everything, determine what can be recycled, donated, or thrown away, and figure out how to transport it. This can be a logistical nightmare for anyone with a busy schedule. A professional junk removal company will handle all of this for you. From sorting to hauling, they take care of everything, ensuring that you don't have to worry about a thing. Their team will efficiently take the load off your hands, ensuring that the job gets done without any hassle on your part. Tailored services for different needs. Every junk removal project is unique, and a professional junk removal service in Austin can provide tailored solutions to suit your needs. Whether you're clearing out a single room, a basement, or an entire office building, professionals can handle projects of all sizes. They can also manage specific items that might require special attention, such as electronics, appliances, construction debris, or yard waste. Some companies even offer same-day or next-day services, so you don't have to wait long to get rid of your junk. Enhances property aesthetics. A cluttered home or business can negatively impact your property's curb appeal or make it feel chaotic. By hiring a junk removal company, you can instantly improve the appearance of your space. Whether you're preparing your home for sale, moving into a new place, or simply tidying up your environment, getting rid of excess junk will help you create a cleaner, more organized space. Not only does this make your property look better, but it also enhances your overall sense of well-being. Stress-free experience. Finally, hiring a junk removal company can relieve you of the stress that often accompanies dealing with piles of unwanted items. Professional teams handle all the logistics and physical labor, leaving you with a clutter-free space and peace of mind. With their expertise, you can feel confident that the job will be done correctly and efficiently, without the frustration of trying to manage everything on your own. Conclusion. Hiring a professional junk removal company in Austin provides an array of benefits that can make a world of difference in the cleanup process. From saving you time and ensuring safety to promoting sustainability and offering customized services, these experts take the hassle out of junk removal. The next time you find yourself overwhelmed by clutter, consider giving a local junk removal service a call. You'll enjoy a stress-free, eco-friendly, and efficient experience, all while reclaiming your space.